In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize checkout page on Wix. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to adjust what customers see when they place an order, so your checkout form matches your business needs. First, log into your Wix dashboard. Take a moment here to make sure you are signed into the correct account, because checkout settings can vary depending on the site you manage. Once you are in the dashboard, you should see the main area where you manage different parts of your website, like store settings, design options, and site configuration. Next, go to Settings. This is usually where Wix groups the configuration tools for your site. You want to locate the area that controls general preferences, not the design editor or promotional tools. As you click into Settings, look for the section that relates specifically to payments, orders, or checkout, since that is where the customization options live. After that, select Checkout Page. This step is important because Wix separates checkout controls from other store controls. By choosing Checkout Page, you are telling Wix that you only want to modify the customer checkout experience, including the form fields they may be required to fill out. Now click Edit Checkout. This opens the editing mode for the checkout page settings. Depending on your Wix version and store setup, you may see a set of form options or configuration toggles. If you see a preview area, that is a good sign because you can use it to confirm what changes will affect. Next, toggle the desired fields to show or hide, such as shipping address or phone number. Spend a moment deciding which fields you truly need. Showing a field means customers will see it and may need to provide that information to complete an order. Hiding a field removes it from the checkout form, which can make checkout faster and simpler for customers, as long as you still have what you need to fulfill orders. As you make changes, pay attention to the wording of each option and confirm you are toggling the correct field. Once you have adjusted the fields the way you want, click Save. This step ensures your changes are applied within the settings panel. If you do not save, your edits may not remain in place, and you could accidentally publish an older version. After saving, you may see a confirmation or the toggles may reflect the updated state, so take a second to verify everything looks right. Finally, click Publish. Publishing is what makes your updates live on your website for real customers to see. This is the last action in the workflow, and it is what turns your configured checkout fields into the actual checkout experience on the live site. If Wix shows any publishing confirmation or prompts, follow those prompts to complete publishing successfully. After publishing, it is a good practice to think about the customer journey. Your checkout form should now match the information you intend to collect, which can improve order accuracy and reduce friction for buyers. If you ever need to change field visibility again, you can return to the same checkout page area and repeat the same process. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.